Adding emojis to your videos in CapCut is super easy and can make content more fun and engaging. Here's how to do it. First, open your project in CapCut and import your video into the timeline. Once you have imported, drag the video into the timeline like this. Once your video is ready, click on the stickers at the top. Now from here, scroll down. You can see emoji right here. This will bring up a library of emojis. Click on it. You can see many emojis from here. Choose the emoji you want and it will appear on your video. Let's choose this one. As you can see, your emoji is appeared on your video. To add this emoji, drag down the emoji like this and adjust its duration like this. You can also adjust its size by simply clicking here and adjust its size like this. Once you have adjusted, position it wherever you want like this. Now to make it more dynamic, use the animation tab. For using the animation tab, click on animation right here. Now adjust the duration of the emoji by dragging its layer in the timeline like this. You can add as many emoji as you like from here. Let's add one more. Let's add this one. Let's drag it to the timeline like this. Let's keep it here. Adjust its size like this. And also keep the animation too. Once you have adjusted, let us play the video for once. Let me show you how it looks in the video. Okay, let's see. Ooh, it looks so cute. And that's it. Your emoji is ready to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more editing tips. Thanks for watching.